In this video, I will show you Brother Embroidery machine troubleshooting tips you need to follow. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Darcy from Zdigitizing. Before we continue, guys, please make sure to subscribe to this channel for any upcoming videos. You are looking forward to the beginning of your new project with great excitement. On the other hand, your brother's embroidery sewing machine does not appear to be as enthusiastic as you are. It has decided to go into shutdown or stutter mode. If you are an embroidery expert, you might encounter this among the most typical and annoying situations. However, if you are familiar with some of the most frequent Brother Embroidery machine troubleshooting issues and how to handle them, you will be amazed at how quickly they may be resolved. Fortunately, many of these issues can be avoided with proper setup and maintenance of the system, but you have already had problems. Basic Brother Embroidery machine troubleshooting tips. These Brother Embroidery machine troubleshooting methods are often effective in resolving the following frequent embroidery machine issues. Brother Embroidery machine troubleshooting bobbin. It is critical to ensure that the bobbin is correctly wound and that it is in the correct position while solving the Brother Embroidery machine troubleshooting problem with the bobbin. Additionally, metal bobbins cannot be used in Brother machines designed to work with metal bobbins. You should use a plastic one if the machine came with one. Otherwise, you should use a metal one. A metal bobbin cannot be loaded into a top loading or quick set bobbin system on a Brother machine at any point in time. If you do, they will not function properly. Next, always use Brother branded bobbins, since other manufacturers may degrade the stitch rate or, in some of the worst cases, cause damage to your machine. Brother sewing machine not stitching. Some frequent things to look for are as follows. First, make sure that the bobbin winder shaft has not been moved to the right. If it has, move it to the left. Make sure your machine is threaded correctly by turning the hand wheel to its highest position, which will place the needle in the proper threading position. Also, when loading the machine, make sure that the presser foot is raised entirely. Insert your bobbin into the machine in the proper position. When using fully enclosed bobbins, the thread must be wound around the bobbin in an anti-clockwise manner to work correctly. Make use of the guides provided by your machine or consult your user guide. Make sure that the foot of your mechanical sewing machine is down before you begin stitching. Some computerized equipment will prompt you to complete this task on your own. For example, if you check for damages on the bobbin and find them, you must change it immediately. Brother sewing machine needle not moving. If you face the problem that the Brother sewing machine needle will not move, the following steps are used to resolve this issue. Number 1, make sure the foot controller is plugged all the way in on your machine and in the receptacle. Number 2, turn on the power switch. Number 3, check the foot controller and confirm they are plugged in the pin jack outlet. Number 4, make sure the bobbin winder is not pushed to the right. They need to be on the left when sewing, not picking up the thread automatically. It might be because you are holding onto the needle thread too firmly, in which case you would need to loosen your grip to resolve the issue. You may also become caught up in the top thread, which would require you to stop and disentangle it. The needle may then be deformed or improperly threaded as a result. If the fault is with the needle in the first case, replace it. If the problem's with the thread in the second case, rethread it. If the needle is not placed correctly, this might be the root of the issue and you would have to reinsert it properly for the machine to operate correctly. Alternatively, it could be if the bobbin is not properly threaded or if the bobbin region is not clear. If the bobbin is the source of the Brother Embroidery machine troubleshooting problem, it should be replaced and the surrounding area must get cleaned. Reset the machine. The machine settings, including the date and time and the ring delay, may all be restored if you choose to undo any modifications. The following steps are used to reset the machine. Number 1. For network or all settings, unplug the interface cable. Number 2, press the menu button. Number 3, for initial setup, press the up or down arrow and then press OK. Number 4, press the up or down arrow key to choose reset, press OK. Number 5, for choosing the reset function, press the up or down arrow key and then press OK. Brother Embroidery machine top tension is too tight. To accomplish this, adjust the knob in a way that causes the number to decrease. You would want to experiment with going half or a number less than the present maximum tension. Test the new tension on a tiny piece of cloth with an alternate thread color to see how it works. Reduce the tension to the lowest setting possible until you can stitch uniformly on both sides until the bottom thread no longer usually appears at the top. Conclusion. The Brother Embroidery machine is one of the most popular sewing machine brands available on the market. However, if you ever experience a tension problem, always check your handbook to see any specific instructions for dealing with such Brother Embroidery machine troubleshooting issues. Do you need digitizing service for your embroidery machine with super fast turnaround and excellent quality? Just click the link below and get a free quote in less than 5 minutes. Hope it will be helpful for you guys. If there's any questions related to this video, you can simply ask in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And finally, thanks for watching.